Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we got a Bella extra large ceramic griddle with warming tray. This is an excellent griddle and we're gonna go over it right now. Some of the main things I like about this griddle is the temperature knob is super easy to use. It goes from warm all the way up to 400 degrees, heats up super quickly. It's 1500 watts, only weighs about 4 pounds. Guys, this service area is pretty huge. You can do a bunch of different stuff in here at the same time. It is PTFE and PFOA free, non-stick. All the plastic stuff down here does not get hot. You can touch that easily if you needed to move it around, kind of a thing. Super easy to clean. Like I said, guys, the non-stick on this stuff is amazing. Another thing I really like about this is there's a warming tray down here. You can put stuff to keep warm, as well as a very nice big drip tray in the back for any grease or oil. The grease trays that go along the sides are very efficient. You're not going to lose your eggs and stuff down the tray on the top side, but down here on the bottom, any baking grease or excess oils or anything are just going to go drain right down into there, and it's very nice. All right, guys, as you can see, it does a great job. It's, Bella brand, and I've had other appliances of theirs. Great, they do a great job. And the actual dimensions, if you want to know the actual dimensions, it's 12 by 25 inches. We'll cook up to 15 eggs or pancakes at the same time. So if you have a small family or a medium or a large family, it's going to be great for you. So anyways, if you're thinking about getting this, don't hesitate. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.